What I'm looking most forward to with Steam Fest is Zone 3 of gaming. Come join me.
What I'm most looking forward to at Steam Fest is being a part of the AI zone, Zone 1. So we're going to have lots of booths available for kids to do hands-on activities. We're going to get first glimpses of how some of the kids use AI here at the school, along with maybe making some music, making some videos. It's going to be a lot of fun.
What I'm most excited about for Steam Fest is the Recycling Runway Show.
I'm super hyped to visit Zone 3 Logic and Game Power so I can try to beat Sanjay in a Rubik's Cube competition.
And I'm excited to see the planetarium at Zone 4 and learn more about astronomy.
See you guys there!